The Meghalaya Pradesh Congress Committee welcomed the return of former Rangsakona legislator Zenith M on the 29th of October 2025 following his resignation from the All India Trinamool Congress the previous day. Party sources recalled that Zenith had previously represented the Congress before shifting allegiance to the AITC along with other MLAs including Dr. Mukul M. Sangma in 2021. During the felicitation program organized for him, senior party leaders including the AICC General Secretary in charge of Meghalaya Chela Kumar, Mpcc President Vincent H. Pala and Tura MP Sangma'S Sangma were also present. Speaking to the media, Sangma reportedly remarked that the party considered Zenith's return natural, stating that, quote, "Parents always welcome an errant but returning son," unquote, implying that the Congress faced no difficulty in taking him back.
As I have said, with sound mind and soul, I have consciously decided to rejoin in this All family, that is the Grand All Party, which is the Indian National Congress. The rejoining of me into this Grand All Party is that the prevailing situation across the state of Meghalaya and the country as well, the ruling dispensation, be it in the state of Meghalaya or at the center, they have been destroying the country. In the state of Meghalaya, we can see the jungle raj, rampant corruption from all fronts, not only in one department. No condition. As I have said, I have voluntarily decided, this is my conscious decision that I have taken to rejoin in this, my all party, all family, that is the Indian National Congress Party. As far as serving the people of the state and the country is concerned, there is no family. This is precisely I was fighting when I was first inducted in 2006 by then Chief Minister led Dr. Didi Lapang. The same questions was put forward. So I said, sir, if that is the case, then am I representing the family? I'm not representing the family. I'm also representing thousands of people, which is in my constituency. So that mentality, that mindset should be eradicated. See, my brother means you are mentioning about Dr. Mukul Sangma, right? He is a very tall leader, having long innings in politics, having lots of knowledge, wisdom, wealth of experience, as all of us know. So what he is thinking, what kind of thinking process is taking place in his mind, so these are best known to him only. So I request you to better ask him. And I'm not the authorized person to tell about him. So when the time comes, he may take any decision, that is up to him.